Let's take a moment to honor the humble beginnings of a cleaner, more sustainable way to light our homes. Soy wax. Let the journey begin. Let's make these 3 magical candles. Before we begin, let's thank our members. It's just $1 and a dream. Just hit that join button and join our amazing community. And special thanks to those who gave blessings this month. Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And I bought this little kit, candle making kit from Amazon. I thought it would be easier because I do have candle making material. And I did show it in one of my videos previous, but it was all stuff that I had for years and years. So I thought that I would buy this little kit in case you wanted to try out some candle making yourself. So here we are. And this little kit really was very inexpensive. And it came with 2 pounds of soy wax. It came with this really great little electric stove here. I'm going to show you everything that it came with, and I'm just putting the feet on this right now. You want to make sure that you're using something that's level and a silicone mat. I do have my place that I plug this in right over here. And we do want to read all the instructions. Be sure to always follow the manufacturer's instructions and read them thoroughly. It has an off, an on, and an off. This is off, and then you turn it on. I don't have it plugged in yet. Making sure that it's flat, and it came with the thermometer. So see, oh, okay. So I don't need to get any batteries. It already has, and it has an on and off switch. So I like that. Came with a little pot. It came with a spoon. It came with 10 popsicle sticks, and that is to put, I'm going to show you what that's for, but let me take this out. And underneath this is stainless steel. That pot is stainless steel. With 2 pounds of soy, because we want to use soy for our candles. It came with all these wicks. It came with these things that you put on the bottom, and this is to hold the wicks in place. These are little stickers that you put on the bottom to hold the wick in place. Yeah, so it has all these things here, and instructions on how to make the candle. Now, I'm going to show you how we make a candle today. And I'm going to use the jar that I made the other day on Sunday for Mother's Day. We're going to pour right into that, and we're going to make a candle today. So let me get right back. Give me a second. Okay, so here are the directions. It tells you to center the wick to the bottom of the candle. So that's what I'm going to do here. These are the little tabs that they give you. And that's in the middle. Take that little sticker off. Let me put that on. Attach that. And attach this. And that's going to keep the wick up straight after we pour the wax inside. Next thing they're telling you to do is to pour the pot on top of your electric stove. Now it's saying to pour the wax inside. I'm not going to pour this whole bag because I'm just going to do this one little candle here. So, and we're not going to use any dye or any coloring in this. I'm just going to keep this the natural color. So, I'm not going to put too much in here. So this is up to let me put a little more in. Okay, that says it's up to the 16 ounce, almost a 500 ml line inside here. So I'm going to take a little moment here and give you some information, not too much today. But in 1996, a young Purdue University student named Michael Richards, he was the son of a soybean farmer. He had an innovative idea, and that was to take a new sort, renewable, eco-friendly alternative to paraffin wax. And from that vision, Soy Wax was born. It's a vegetable-based wax that changed the world of candle making forever. Unlike paraffin wax, which is a byproduct of petroleum, soy wax, made from soybeans, is a renewable and biodegradable crop. Supporting soy not only means fewer fossil fuels, but also supports American agriculture. When we choose soy, we choose sustainability. It's better for our health and our homes. Paraffin candles release toxins like benzene when burned, chemicals linked to respiratory issues and indoor air pollution. Soy wax burns cleaner. With little or no soot, it makes for a healthier choice for our lungs, our pets, and for our walls. Soy candles burn slower and cooler. Now, one thing you will notice when using soy wax, especially when you're using a pure, all-natural variety, is that it might not always look perfect on the surface. It's not a flaw. It's a sign that you're using a cleaner product. Still, this kit comes with great tips, like melting a small layer of wax to help smooth out the surface. This will give your candle a polished look if that's what you desire. In a world where we are trying to make better choices for ourselves and our families and the earth, something as simple as switching to soy candles can be one of those small, meaningful steps. I do hope that walking you through this process today, you saw the value in creating something beautiful, sustainable, and safe for your home and beyond. Let's make art with heart and light with purpose. Let's not forget, if you haven't met your neighbor yet, take a moment and say hi. Make a new friend today.
We have 3 candles now.
If you're in the live chat,
Close up
say hello
like that.
and making new friends.
And this one has a cover like that. How about that? And this is my sun jar.
Take me out to California. Take me out to California.
There we have
I
it.
feel the day
We have our
is
3
coming
candles.
to an end, and my eyes are
to,
drawn to southern
I
skies.
think I'm gonna like one.
And this brings us to a beautiful glow at the end of today's journey. I've made 3 candles, each one with its own story and soul.
Candle.
The first one set in the sun jar I created last week with mix to mold. It carries the light in every sense of the word, a symbol of warmth, renewal, and a radiant energy we all need more of. The second was poured into a glass spice jar I rescued from my kitchen, stripped of its label and given a new life. I added a handful of fresh lavender, not just for scent, but for serenity, breathing calm into the chaos of our daily lives. And the third, a home for a recycled tin jar, laced with lavender, a reminder that what seemed ordinary, forgotten, can be transformed into something comforting and purposeful. Each candle today was made of pure soy wax. My Resinier's air purifier is showing red in the back, and we'll discuss that in a future video. A choice that honors our health, our homes, and our earth. By reusing materials, choosing cleaner ingredients, and infusing every step with love and intention, this isn't just candle making. It's a form of light-filled storytelling. Thank you for sharing this moment with me. If this video inspired you, I invite you to like, share, and subscribe. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off today with love, light, peace, harmony, and oneness. Till next time. Bye-bye now. Have a great week ahead.